Hey everyone, today, we're talking about something super intriguing that has a huge impact on our daily lives but often goes unnoticed. Buckle up, because today we're exploring the secret life of algorithms. So, what's an algorithm, anyway? Imagine it as a super smart recipe. Just like you follow a recipe to bake a delicious cake, algorithms follow a set of steps to solve problems or complete tasks. But instead of flour and sugar, algorithms use data and calculations. They're the invisible forces behind so much of what we do online every day. Let's take social media for example. Ever wonder why certain posts pop up on your feed and not others? That's the magic of algorithms at work. Social media platforms use complex algorithms to decide what content to show you based on your interests, interactions, and behavior. So, the more you like and comment on cat videos, the more cat videos you'll see. These platforms analyze the content you engage with, the profiles you interact with, and even the time you spend on certain posts. All this data feeds into an algorithm that predicts what you'll enjoy seeing next, keeping you hooked and scrolling for more. Next, let's talk about online shopping. Ever noticed those recommended for you sections? Algorithms analyze your browsing history, what you've bought before, and even what other shoppers with similar tastes have purchased to suggest items you might like. It's like having a personal shopper who knows you really well. These algorithms use machine learning to improve their recommendations over time, learning more about your preferences with every click and purchase. So, next time you see an ad for something you were just thinking about, you know an algorithm is behind it. And don't forget navigation. When you use Google Maps or any other GPS service, algorithms analyze real-time traffic data, road closures, and historical traffic patterns to find you the fastest route. They even predict where traffic jams are likely to occur. This is done using a combination of data from other drivers, sensors, and even satellites. The algorithm crunches all this data in real time to provide you with the most efficient route, saving you time and frustration. But here's the big question: why should we care about algorithms? Well, understanding them helps us become smarter and more informed users of technology. It also helps us recognize and question biases that might be built into the algorithms we use. For example, if an algorithm is trained with biased data, it can produce biased outcomes. By learning how algorithms work, we can advocate for more fairness and transparency in the tech we use every day. Plus, it's just plain cool to see how much thought goes into making our digital lives smoother and more efficient. So, now you know what an algorithm is. Thanks for diving into this topic with me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications on future videos.